Welcome to Pavithra Laptop Care. See, today we have reviewed a laptop. It's a Dell 7000 series, Inspiron 15 7000 series. This one is Intel Core i7. This is a Dell laptop. So, what are the issue? Let me check. This is a touch screen. It's a 2-in-1. This is a touch screen, 2-in-1 laptop. So now I'm going to connect the DC. What the result? We'll check. The DC amp. See, when I connect the DC 0.017 and again it's 12 and battery started charging. When I'll start the laptop, where is the power button? Here is the power button. See guys, once I press the power button, the amp reading is 0.025 or 26. What could be the reason? When you connect the supply, immediately it takes battery charging section. But when I press the power button, after pressing the power button, 0.026, now it's 18, again it's a 02 and again started charging the battery. Once again I'm pressing the power button, see, same result. So we will open the laptop and we will check one by one what could be the reason. See the laptop condition. Here it's HDD is connected, battery also connected. What the motherboard model that can't see. Okay, I'll remove the battery. We'll check one by one. It's very small motherboard, but it has which processor? i7. It's almost 7th or 8th generation. It may be 7th, I think so. 7000 series, 17 inches laptop. I removed the battery. Now once again I'll check the condition of this laptop. After removing the battery, what could be the condition of this? Connecting the supply. See the DC amp. Again I am going to press the power button. It's standing here 0.023 or 24. Actually our vendor told us it's working fine, but Windows not booting. Means it's not loading. Operating system is not loading. See the guys, see the condition of this motherboard. Sometimes it happens if we can't check immediately in front of them, so these things will happen. Now customer tells it's working laptop, but only the issue with the operating system. Okay, anyway, we will make it working condition if possible. Now I am going to check the model number. Some work has done, BIOS replayed. See, after the work only they have given to us. Here is the BIOS IC. Work has done here. 2 BIOS are there. One, I have doubt something happened here. Okay, on board it has done, I think so. See, it's burnt. So what are the model numbers that we will check? So what is this? What is the model number? I'm removing all the things. Display, everything opened. Mm, in this situation, guys, you need to check the laptop in front of the dealer. Otherwise, some misunderstanding will happen, right? So anyway, I trust my what is that vendor. You can agree those things. So now I'm going to open this. Pretty much work has done. See the board size, it's very tiny. ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾದರೂ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾದರೂ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಈ ಗಾದೆ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ detached I think so, but not did anything. Here PWB V90VN 1521-1. This is the model number of the particular motherboard. Okay. Blackwood UHD. Blackwood. It's very small. Okay, guys. Here, as I'm checking this. Maybe they replaced the BIOS. First, what is the suspect one? That only I will do, because I don't want to damage the motherboard. See here, BIOS, how they did. Okay, that may be problem with the BIOS. I will search working BIOS. First I will replace the BIOS. After that I will come back again. Once the issue got solved, then it's okay. Otherwise I will check completely, thoroughly. See, now I have done the BIOS, and let me check. I fixed all the things, so it's a backup time. I will show you once it connected what will be the result. See, 0.023. I turn it on, then what will be the result? I press the power button, 0.030. So guys, here there is no luck in BIOS. Some issue will be there in this particular motherboard, because when we power on, so 1 minute, one more time I press the power button. Let me check. No result. Okay, 0.032. Okay, in this situation, what will be the condition of this particular laptop motherboard? So let us check in next section. So guys, tomorrow again I will check this motherboard completely and thoroughly. Okay, very good morning. So yesterday what I did, I done the BIOS, then also the problem was the same. Today I did much work. So let me check the amp rating and all. Now I'm going to connect the DC amp. I will show you the DC amp. So what is the response in DC amp? Now 004. Yes, it's showing more than 300. Before it was 0.220, 230, right? So now it's increasing, 560, 570. Okay, anyway, I don't think I'll connect the keyboard. It's done or not? See, 3-4 times it will start, restart, start, restart. So 800 milliamps. Now continuously increasing. Will it be stable or not? Keyboard connected. Again off. One more time it will be on. See the display. Okay, now we got the display. I'll connect to the screen. That also I'll show you the screen, what display we are getting here. See guys, I have connected. Let me check display, I will get it or not. The amp, say 800, 600, 500. See the amp, it's off. Now again it started. 1 amp it took, off. Again 0.700, 0.8, 1 amp, off. Again started. Yes. See the dial, Alt F, no bootable, F12 retry boot, F2 setup, F2 unable to run setup, altering the system. Okay, anyway, now we got the display. Rest of the things we'll check again, but major issue got resolved. See, F1, F2. See, this is the troubleshooting method. How we solved. It's a completely dead laptop. But if you want the solution for this particular laptop, so please send me through Telegram. Who are sending to me through Telegram, for them only I will tell you, because it's a direct dealer. I mean our dealer's customer also will be watching this, so that's why I don't want to reveal this secret, particular this motherboard, because this motherboard doesn't have schematic. Without schematic, how I solved this, so that one I'll explain you. Who are interested, please send to Telegram. Thank you for watching.